Nothing beats subscribing to the BYO podcast. Survive depression. And your toxic co-worker.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls,
welcome to the greatest podcast on the planet.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Hiyo lana eti po 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 po.
And they tipping me off. I know you from the inside out. We do some real talking at my mama's house. We finna get something for $1. We might just head home in a Honda. But are you ready? I am ready. Don't keep me waiting. I'm okay. I'm just minutes away. You can come any day. You can come and we play. But are you ready? I am ready. Don't keep me waiting.
Mfana
Ibonile line up yangu.
please ubawazi ukuthi umongo uyenkalakatha ethathu ngemuva la ulo munye do re mi fa so la tito
Mina ngenza into zembhalo.
ukuthi akwenzi ukuthi para sizathatha ipicture phela ethathu
Ithathu eqolo.
unethathu elinjani ndoda
Yebo.
ulama notes ngemuva la
La libona njani?
Ehe
Walibona
Umgcini
njani?
ngeke sengasitshela mina ngazi.
Ngoba mina
No,
la ngikwazi lento enjalo.
no anti namhla ugqokile ukuze nini
I-groove out, i-back out.
i-back out
I-back
so
out.
mbone kulo Kito ngathi ngicela unguza phela
Hayi
Ngabona
ngenza into
ulo-
zembhalo.
Wakutsha music. Wakufuna ukuhlabela.
obani
Yena umongi.
Angikwazi ukuthatha ngabe khona kakhulu.
mina mfumba wazi
Ngicela ukudunisisa phambi kwekhamera yazi baba lo.
asethe chibilike la
Yazi.
Never.
Abantu lokho bebuza ukuthi umongi wayengaphi isikhathi sonke lesi. Abakwazi umongi kule 30 episodes la. Wayesali igwara wayethanda ukubuye pho nguhlale ehlale ebhini.
Ngikhuluma emenhlezi lapha kodwa ngikhuluma phela.
wayephela simelele masishema
Ndifi.
ayisengazi ukuthi kule
Ngiwenthayimeli Thursday thi namhlanje hey.
bari khona siyadla hey
Kahle kahle sike sitshele guys. Here at Cotton there are some scrumptious meals. We have the Mgrinimbi burger.
ndoda mina sengakubhoda konke ndoda
Awusawufuna awusela lento uyifuna Karesi.
like so nxa ngicabanga uphenduka ku-podcast ngiyamhothi yazi mfana
Lapho mthini namhlanje Thursday.
ngiyamhothi ibhega lelena ngizalenzani
Uzulu uriko ukuthi utheni? Uzulu uriko ukuthi utheni lapha nefonini? Sithi siqonde town lapha silotsepho. Selilanda amabhega.
Hayi
Lapho
manje ibhega
siyachana.
yangikhona. Hayi mnandi.
Yibo beyazokudla ibhega ye even ama lamb chops. Anyway, nikhotha ukuthi ayazini disappoint.
Naye isikhathi sangikhona ngingayenzilandela ifood phela.
even le usuku like so kwaba disappointed la
Ntambama. La hamba ebusuku.
asakhumbuli size sibuye emsontweni la basibiza ngamabizo ekele kuze nini emnyango sokhona
Awumnandi wesikhathi.
unandi lo
Isikhathi sangikhona.
Boza ngachayisana nalo lapha nginyina kandidakiwe lisha ifrantali lingazwakali.
Oba.
Ubani?
khonapho ukhala ngokuthi thina simbiza mongi yazi abamazi ngomongi to phandle
Yebo.
wathi
Nicole.
Nicole it's Nicole.
ibhedi
Hayi leli ngelangikhaya but lapha sikubiza ibizo langikhaya.
Mina wathemba ukuthi ngethoni libhedi.
ibhedi wasi wamfake ekhoneni wathi wena ngani mina ngibi so mina decide manje
Athiwa mina mfethu ngumongi.
Mina balivera ngangakwazi. Antini daily ngikutshela ukuthi ngeke ngamthola la echayi uyazi ide ngitsho.
enguNicole
Wafika ngikhulumisa wathatha ngaze akhipha ama glasses ngikubone.
Oh.
enguNicole
Namhlanje ngumongi.
Alabona ungiNicole ongazwanga.
enguNicole ba
Kathi phoza mawungekho lathi unje.
uNicole ugay
Ngathi nxa ungekho lathi unje.
sesitshedeza la nga44 Aqathekile phela ukuthi sonke
Senza into yokuhlalisa.
But I know it's good to be back, guys. Hey,
Yeah, it's been long, man. It's been long, man.
Ngifana wazi. You just notice emphendukile mase ngicasa ukuhlangana labantu. Ombingelela izolo. Ani ngashaya ama reviews Pick n Pay la. This is not a paid ad. Our Pick n Pay zonke izizwe la. Ngathi vele service so kade sivele senthenga khona. So izolo mbiyelile. Ngisiyadingela something for Masala. Ngithi ngiku queue lapha. Landwele ngicho mlithi no mchita ngani ngiyakwazi.
Celebrate.
Wena mchita ngani ngiyakwazi. Kudlula umuntu omdala ngemva kwakhe njengoMasala trolley dog. Athi umfana lo la ngidala ngimkhangele.
Yeah.
Athi live dog. Umfana lo dala ngimkhangele lapha. I think kubo TikTok or something. Andazi ukuthi abadala sebele access to TikTok kanesi. Angazi ukuthi umuntu afundisa abadala TikTok is small. Yabo.
La nizali khuza ngobukela ipodcast le ku TV kusisithi ngibukela nemafoni.
Dot.
Isinto ubukela labazali le.
Umasala nathi lami umfana lo kudala ngiyemkhangela. Ethilini lapho umuntu ahlathi podcast. Because like when you sure ukuthi umuntu oshayisa lapha ingiloze usangikhumbula yini from the last time. Yabo. Umjida lana umbona ngithenga idobe. Ngithengile idobe uma walethu athi atshela mohlo ngithengile idobe. Nasiyombe thatha. Ngomba lithatha. Thatha waspina lalo sibili ngamchayela idobe lakhe wahamba. Ngabe ngishaya ngikhohla ichange. Yabo. Semphuma vela ndithi sengijahile because bengihamba labo Jane futhi. Semphuma lapha ngogijima umjida sebegijima nti ibizo lamana akakho sho. Mjida Dobi.
Dobi.
Mjida Dobi. Cha. Khohli $5. Yimi no sembuyela nje semvaya like siyathathile kuzeni. But that's how I know I'm home.
Yeah. Welcome home.
But ngeke ngaba le lokuzeni, ngaba le moment futhi ngise lapha engisebenza khona. Like ngangena eTown, andinonsebenza eGanyeni, but ngangena eTown. Ngahla ngangingcole. Achesa ngichomi lambiza like lali upstairs lona. Mina ngidlula phansi lathi ngicini. Athi afaka ngicini mina chomlama ngilamuntu expect ukuthi uyangazi vele nani. Adando face yakho yakhanya ndoda. Face yakho yakhanya vele. Abantu basibukela phandle lapha guys.
Wena kulabanye umgcini abafamous vele.
I don't know. Ngazi umgcini nyoni wama photo.
Okay.
Olamuntu ethi ula ikhona
Siphuma la newspaper futhi. I feel like indawo newspaper lena likhuluma ngayo kakhulu.
Asayikhuluma.
Paralyze ngela khuluma ngayo kakhulu. Yakwazi ukuthi abantu sebetshechela ngathi ngathi.
Let's fight. Let's fight.
Siyacela please. Siyacela siyakwazi ukuthi ama-tissue ashota but this one guys please.
That's also khuluma into efactor.
Kulo muntu usebenzisa iface yakho isebengene ngayo toilet.
Ayichomlezi.
Ayingene ngayo toilet.
Ebeseyithukile.
Obheme ngayo imbanje or something.
Hayi manje lokho besabhema these days iRizzla sisekasi.
Hayi emakhaya. Emakhaya ekafiki newspaper la maybe yafika after 2 months.
These days abafana bekasi beshaya ngeRizzla ndoda. The drugs have improved. Anyway, ngibuza ngadigress.
Ngiwazelanga.
Angiyakubona. Kanti somasala abathengisa amaputi sebethengisa iRizzla. Mina ngingumntwana kulamasala oyethengisa iputi othengisa iRizzla. Kodwa ungahamba ekasi ufike emakhoneni uthi linjani masala leRizzla.
Khona le cocaine la. Okay.
Ngathengisa cocaine. Abantu babhema cocaine, hey?
Ngikhuluma phela ivideo yakhe.
Abantu bahotsha cocaine.
Ngavela ngisho.
He wangu.
Ngisho ngikhuluma
Babhema he.
Yasho.
Babhema shame.
Endiliyahotsha.
Mali ayayilazibhemela yo.
Like enye into enginanzelelayo as you grow older enanzela ukuthi izinto esasijaja abantu zona heavily like back then judge heavily bro
njengobufebe but continue continue
like izinto ozijaja abantu dokaresenzakala phambi kwethu do
ana njengewheat iwheat mina ukungazibhemi nje is just ukuzehlulekela
mina ngizakhuluma like into bro when did you ever imagine in your life having a gay friend?
Ake ukhala qala ngoba umgcini uthanda ubani toilet uthole bebhale kabelo wathi
Plus.
6
Mm.
ukuthi ngife
Ukuthi mina wazathi ngithanda ukukhuluma ngamanyala but yakwazi
Siyakhuluma.
ukubhalwa ngani.
Yeah, ngisabeleni.
ngafunda khona kwakubhalwa amachoko utshontshe ichoko
Oh,
eclassini
wala libhala
wena
amachoko.
sungangitsheli
Timcini.
efusi
Timcini
Wawuthola
waziye.
mfana
Utheno.
ukuthi
wena kodwa lina lalibhala umduni ngamakaka
wafunda nga.
mina vele I need to know ukuthi
Athina eboarding
actually gents please sesibadala nje but sonke sihambe primary one of you watching this actually did it ukhona okwabhala
ukhona.
okwabhala umduni ngamakaka
Uthi
Tshele
waziye.
ukuthi wawusebenzisa umunwe usebenzisa isigodo owaqala ubranch ubusunompola
But wawubona
Basebenzisa
wawuthola
ngikhona.
wawuthola lokho yana ukujile lokho yana ukuthi umuntu ufike wakha. Ngiyabhalanga.
Omi ukhuluma ngale experience la.
Ufike
Ukhona nganoka okay.
Yawathi no mina ngenza i-designing, i-graphics design.
Hayi.
So yabona like i-font
yabona umuntu ba-arrange i-dessert
like the font is crazy. Umuntu ufike wakha.
German soldiers never surrender.
nge-times new roman times new bouchen
But yeah.
yeah phuza amaphilisi
Ungabuzi lokho.
Phuza amaphilisi.
Khohliwe namhla ngikhohliwe.
Ngizokhulela la. But otherwise this week guys.
thina
Thina sharp.
Drink into see.
hayi besiziphushela lapha
Hmm.
sibona uBryce ababengakhulumisa i-cherry 9 months echayisana etown eDSP
Price.
Into yaqhubeka.
into ngene niyengicaphulela zakuxotsha ku-podcast
Price basiyangisa manje. Ayikho right le nto.
Yeah.
So lesile intro yenentsha sesesilo. Mongi, masithi ladies and gentlemen, wena mele ubuthweka la.
or something namvumelana nakho
Eh.
thina kuyikuthi siyakukwanisa nje kube vele
But man,
ama-dicks sasawasho.
yazi na, like this one is not bad. Like mfuna uphilo like ushaye 360.
Hey, ufuna utshengisa abantu ishwapha
Alright, asenze so.
Abali waye ngani
Yenze
uyawucabanga vele bangamlanga ukucabanga ubele uyali ngani ukucabangile for a second don't do that
So nufike nini esishopini?
bese ngicabangile masebenza.
Wathi abantu bazaqalisa uku-analyze.
Bacana bebona into ezingekho right nje.
Yabona
phansi,
sithi
so-
masithi ladies and gentlemen at least yena besenza something yabo. Something crazy.
ngazama umpractice was it 2 weeks back
Bekulast week.
ngazama hawu ngesami
Sathini?
asizayithola yethu
Na but anyways,
blind.
i-podcast vele siqalisile. Salibonani. I-podcast le ingxoxo nayo.
Salibonani.
Enjani emakhaya? How are you doing?
ubonile ukuthi i-admin team yethu itshintshe ibhayo ku-page ye-podcast ku-TikTok angazibhaleni
Thona.
andiqaka ubhale just welcome to ingxoxo I think ubhale something a little crazy
Ngizama ngechi.
ubhale something a little crazy
Ngizama ngechi.
naye kodwa ngile order kodwa mina personally mina ngafuna ukusubmit ukuthi kubhalwe lapha ibhombo kunyoko abantu babuya ngolaka
Ibhombo lo mazi kumpuma sawa.
uma kako lo masalo mabhimu man because ayingceke abazayithola ngomabhimu umabhimu kunyoko hayi but hayi ma-gents abantu abafuna usilanda for ama-advertising gig kodwa kuthiwa imike ngiyayibamba kakhulu wandithethisile ngo-sound guy last week
Thona obamba kakhulu lokuzeni.
into
Mike
anditshethisa
uthoya bi
kakhulu,
shift.
Yazi ngile memory engiqeda uyivelele ekhanda lo price. Yazi uprice sifela ukuthi. Uprice ayesaqabana nomnye. Usakhumbula? Ingxoxo.
Fanele sithi
Uprice
sithi
dog.
fahla.
Yayisaqalisa i-podcast ngama days la.
Eish, bruh.
And we received an email from Unota. Yamazi Unota, abamazi Unota for the first time.
A
I was
high
like,
value guest.
high value guest. I wanna come to the podcast. Tina vele sijayele ukurekhoda ngefoni yabo. But this time around you're like you have to
Akusamelanga siyangise la.
properly. Yabo. Fonele uprice. Actually ngafonele upay. Night free. Athi no, uprice. Lamo price ngiyamthemba vele. Ngiyamthemba la ka race kwela. Uprice that day angazi. Ubi equipment wathi dinga yashota yabo. Mbone plug like vele lapha ngahle ngasola khona. Uprice ngambone plug ama earphones like ama earphones lana.
Earphones.
No, actually, I'm getting my headphones to monitor the
Yeah,
sound.
lama-
So I'm going to my
Ama
earphones.
earphones.
Mbonto price equipment liyathubila eyisebenzisa. Anyways,
Like to make sure.
sharp. Sichaye nje interview lo Nota. First time bro, like i-interview ukuthi la mvele nganginervous lapana ngangilo jaha futhi. Sishaya interview. Sesiqedile. Price sound.
No, actually, kwaqala kwaba le break. So during a break, I realized okay, somehow power icichile
Oh my
phakathi.
God. Oh my God.
Right. Ngathi man. Only to realize okay, like for the first 30 minutes, I recorded about 20 minutes. Then ngathi sen reset after the break. And it sound sweet because my main concern was in the stress. It sound la. Right. It sound yahamba. So I realized I wasn't recording.
Oh my God.
No bro, like ngunota Jay ngicela cabange upick note lapha.
Alabana
Lapha
izachiza.
nisahamba like ama podcast no podcast. Yazi
Vele
ngaphela.
wayesaqalisa irun yakhe ema podcast.
Wayesaqalisa.
Sokhohla urecord.
Ngaphelelwa.
So lenza
Rawu
njani sound?
siphumelani. Khona ke siphumela kho. Samubulalela vele kulama showers like samuni kubheka uthi akutreat ukuthi maybe enxiya ngazama awubheka athi Jomlami
Chile
la sengizame ama waves la
lama plugin.
lama plugin la uchile la sadlula ngomuva on now yeah
Yho, lento leyiposta lana.
ubrise Roadcaster Pro
Sazwakali kathi simfana si crisp.
ungihamba le check episode yana vele sound lapha ngathi is not make sure lapho point
Yakazi into enhle ngento ne podcast. Abantu can see your evolution in front of you. That's also what gives people a chance to grow and sometimes sadly even outgrow a show.
yeah
Yazi labanye abantu awalomnyama ukuthi, and this applies to even into ezinjenge music. If you blow up and then you become a famous musician and then you don't evolve and change styles, you don't give the audience a chance to grow with you. You come umuntu after 5 years for some reason yamuze seqanda. But really the song is still as good as when he first started, but he didn't kind of grow. So maybe what has also worked for this podcast is episode, like even when they're watching right now, they're like, nah, I remember those times.
First interview sayenza lo Nota talk. And I feel like vele ngani lo mnyama ngo Nota because the second one we did, everything was great. Sound was proper, video was nice. But prep vele I wasn't like Nota why too smart for me. That time I think I was a dumb cop to some extent. I didn't know like the right questions to ask him.
To follow up with.
Like I was overwhelmed.
But in a very
But in one point, lapha engabona khona ukuthi la Nota is grilling us when he was telling you, okay, what you should be asking me is this, then ask Pendu.
Dog. That was crazy.
but the problem with yena vele ngumuntu onjalo la is a kind of an overwhelming individual and
Yeah.
ungamniki was going to take the conversation in a different direction, but you know how it is.
Crazy time,
Glad to be here. Road to episode 200. You know, I'm to look at you need 200 like you must remember it's 200 new one episode. So I'm looking at now nearly 4 years of consistency.
Tell us where almost possible for story time. Mpose ngafa. Daughter. Mpose ngafa. Nicole. Mpose ngafa. Sinjani uhlezi phezu kwayo ngokufa isiqhubeko. Ngitshele ngathi ushaye 360 bese yabona.
Ubethi ngisezweni ndoda. Aba bese yayiditha.
Siyafaka ucotton lounge. Yeah, that's a good idea. That's a good idea.
Oh, sikwenzela ama-legging.
Yabona karezi so abantu asingathi usuku abantu vele bayabona ukubona le. Masisukuma lapha sifake ilokhu. Hayi siyavala phela sifake ilokhu izindini yekhothi. Yabo.
Namhla uyenza ukuba next week.
But anyways, mina abangakwaziyo ngisebenze kanye. Ngimanzi iganga yabo.
So out of town boys.
Sengike ngaba le encounter le Scorpion Kings twice and ngihlala ngibulala oyi-one guy vele ahambe ungabona iScorpion edobho. It's either me or you is
One of us.
one of us has to go, bro. So I mean, about a week ago, bro, ngilale ngingaqokanga skipa la ngala ngifana nje ngilala vele azifeni on yabo hayi into si madoda ngithothi avuka ngiseqa into yangichapha ngibona abafana yangichapha khona pha.
Why is it all canoe lala so this copy? Never asked about to see ngale ngasithi nga la
Ndoda sangichaya yazi ngavuma screamer. Yazi into efani ukuthi mina ngikwazi ukuthi ngascream. Reason why ngithi ngascreamer kulo mdala engisebenza la. Uthi my son, how are you? That's like 2 days after. I'm like, oh, I'm good, Madala, how are you? Hey, my son. My son, I think about 2 days ago, I was passing by the room. I think you were having a nightmare. because you were screaming. I was screaming. Mina no mdala nchawe ilokuzenini nchawe iScorpion la.
Aliziyakhala la.
Mdala sengikhonela ukuze sorry. Parapo zava. I remember ngathi when busy for something.
Kuthiwe nabana nje. Namhlanje ngithi speeches on. Ngithi speech for khona.
Lezi numbers aweseve ngagcina kuyama ama-voice note angasiya.
Asokhotso wa di-top dog.
Kunemplayer lapho i-voice note isithi chomi lapho yazi.
Ubomva lusapho. Ngikujakile.
Uprise ngayimtshela.
Uyazizwa ukuthi ngikujakile.
Uprise lapha ngayimtshela. Ngayimtshela ukuthi abe ngiyophasa imessage.
Final words.
Bonza liluzi futhi.
Kodwa
it is with a heavy heart that we announce the untimely departure.
Yeah, but I think into eziningi vele lapha like ivile yangavele lezi small because of the same week we lost to Bobon the score and stuff. Everything was just messed up again that week. Like
I was feeling blood moon here. Blood moon here.
Ngole niyazuma ngama-introduce la.
Tina proudly.
Ezama Android phela ziqina pha.
Hayi sifuna khona.
Lapha mele sivumite.
Hayi uzumile.
Olokhu
Uyabe
lo price.
sex emagetsini. Ebona umuntu esemagwego.
Unephungu ukuthi ayizume ngewalkway.
Ezibonela ukuthi usebenzisa ikhondom. Esabaphuma. But how happy you are alive, my bro. Inkabi pose yachapa. Zina vele kwapha ama voice nokamgcini angasakhulisa. Nabana thi uzudakela. Kana idaki kanti poison.
Angikade
Oh damn.
Wayesenganula amatiti yani nxa ekhuluma.
Ayibona.
but it was painful, bro.
Manje wacona wenze njani?
Aqinisile.
Wahambe emsebenzini.
Isimanga emergency ngala emergency services. Sesikhuluma about $900. Athi
Inkume bali vele ukuze kunanki izibugolise. Ngabe ni Chinese ithuli zezimnyama nje.
like ngashaya ngiyokuzeni.
Uyavaya?
Ngiyakulunyela ukuzeni.
Hey,
Yini into esiyake yakuluma athi.
enje.
Akathi sikani.
Aba ke it's embarrassing. Nani ukulunywa inje umuntu omdala. It's an embarrassing thing
No,
to
it's
happen.
not.
It is.
Ngesikhathi angikhona.
Wesijekile.
Ngoba ngamvela ngamzwa podcast.
Izinto efana wayikhulumile wathi izinto lezana azimthandi.
Cause ngathi
wena awusidli pork chop lapho uthi ufihle la
was I thinking ngibonile ilokhuze ni video yangikhona le video yambamba khona ngayephinda mkhanye isikholisela akathi ya
yakuluma nga
ngomva Lebanon let's be honest manje ukuthi uyenze umuntu omjala oh mana sithi
what ethi injawu lume abanye abantu bayafa yawazi
khona mana phindile kuye
uthi omunye umuntu engaloya injawu
yakubulawa yini uvalo
because we
yakuchaya
lungenja wafa izitori ze-primary
serious wakhona abantu abafayo
nge-bleeding
lo maybe isilonda lesala singamini
No.
or if nasengqondweni awasi rapies yakushaya
hayi ubona ukhuluma i-rabies
nje uyithetha inje
Gents, into lesi engayikhuluma ku-podcast and I'm gonna say it again. You guys are gonna be shocked at i-kill rate i-rabies. As i-rabies i-kill rate 100%. I had no fucking idea. And ungayekela ixhwale i-rabies. Abantu bakhona bafika ku-point ukuthi kuthiwa bale-hydro what. Ngena ku-internet udinge ama-video omuntu ole-rabies ezamunatha amanzi. To, bese besenza so. Real talk, hayi. So,
yabo yinje lawo si
Like ubalekela amanzi.
alangazibona lapho socabanga umongilo
So yikho kuthiwa nxa ugijinyiswa yinja try to run towards water kumbe uyithele ngamanzi.
Maybe elobhova. I think as long as ile-rabies because ungagijinyiswa ngeyami nje evele kufunela ukuthi udingane amanzi awancedi.
But like if you look at izinja nxa bezithole laphana in the act engxenye inja yakho ithole in the act with enye njengomgaxa wena ugcina iphutball uyayithela ngamanzi
ukuze honestly dog I would really love to add a video here of take it go crazy it will bend your mind so when abantu babulawa i-rabies yes I would believe that na mina sithi lokho
but isilonda sangikhona sayibuyila siqhwale seyalokhu into siyakhula isilonda
abantu ofa ngimlenze kuqala dog
Alamntu ofangani
ngomlenze kuqala like ufe from intenza lemlenze
wena mbani obukela ushaka la unyambozi wahamba ngethanga
ya kwaba njani athabazi
unyambozi ndiyabo sengikhuluma abaphansi ema-mic asesini
asekhayela phansi
sakhala phansi
unyambozi unyambozi kushaka ilembe lo kade senzakala bamtrepha I think ucherala lalayo wayevela kubuzunade umntakazwida le wafaka something phakathi yiphi indlela ehloniphekileyo yokukhuluma
kwenapitapi
isitho sangasese
isitho sangasese
kale sangasese sosemuva
delicious department man
ngoyini manje awufaka
esangaphambili
awufaka right esithweni sangasese sangasese
asangakezi
yeah because
felicity
kumomoza guys.
abadala ababili ama-episode lapho
safaka kelimomoza
bathi imomozi
Imomoza
aphuma kulezo kanje
awufaka khona phansi
wafakwa pha bathi besenziwe into yocansi ama-speds amunca la ichaye
activator
yazi besiyangena phakathi kulokuthi angena chaye ishumini afike angena enkwaneni la wathi qeda walikhipha inkwana lela wahamba walihambisa enyanyeni so mina lichaya unyambozi unyambozi wahamba njalo thola ukuthi futhi abantu bakwenzela kalesi yakazi unyambozi ithi kathi ngezoni lobuthongo lamuhla
ngathi hey
kathi sipedza mudza lithethu la ngiselukotazi
lokho sithi sekuyalalisa kusuvaya
besiyazi like noma vele sengixoxa okwenzakalayo
kuyenzakala because like there was once kulenye igroup okuthiwa amajida lestalk eWhatsApp yayenzwa ngama-gents ukwenzeka ukuthi like ba-decompress omunye wathi guys lingachaya outdoor there please make sure that you take your condoms because bayenze ezinye izinto especially laba abakapisayo kuthiwa ababenzela ukuthi uphenduke futhi then yeah
mawajanga ngelokuzi mawajanga nkonzani ngemele
yebana yazi kuthi mhlaba
let's
Let's have a video somewhere. Let's.
Yo. Jesus.
azomzaza likhuluma inyala
Wow.
inyala
Area, anyway, fast forward. Unyambozi wazibona esesukile endlini. Wahamba wazithela yela kwezenini. Kuma enemy sesitshela ukuthi uhamba le-army kanti uhamba uyi-one.
Esebona izinto.
Yena wayehallucinate ezitshela ukuthi uhamba le-army kanti uhamba uyi-one. Shit, so linanzelele papa.
How dangerous phandle la.
ukuthi babonanka wena hey wena ukuthi wena ngomele ukusitshela i-inside information
But
Ufuna ukuqinisa bembusi ngakwazi la.
Umbuzo ukuthi yini esiyayabo lona wathi wena walunga
akaninja but ngingumntu
hawu
So uzama ukuthi
akangukhethu
wanindlela ocodoze ngabantu abathi
uthe xa usuyindoda vele mna will not take this back ungasibona uyindoda omdala ulungenja ufuna ingasonjalana yabona xa uthe ulisela kade ngene iyadini yakulungenja su lokho uthi uziwokhela walunywa inje emakhandeni
phela boyezo ke izingenele yathi yamba.
kulezinye izinto
Wasenje encane.
enza khuluma sozindini
kulezinye izinto engeke ngihloniphe zona lawo uma uyindoda zingawenzakalela kalezi ukulunywa yinja khono lokuyalwa ngumfazi
ya
hayi
Phela aliyalo.
ama umdala kumele ubonti lapho banyala la
Uzosabela ufike.
nje kumele ubone nje ukuthi lapha isazabeza ngiyala kumbe ingakhombisa bamvuni la
uhlubele self respect wayazi uhlubamba lapha mfana kamoya
usho relax kwenziwa njani
mina I doubt ukuthi ukhona umuntu osokwathi wakwa break up lami so uthi listen I think this is not working it's over
ngiyazembonile
kahle vele ngibone lapho ukuthi lapha sokuzakhanya
So
initial
la lo umuntu ongi alright. Ngeke ulande umuntu just because yesakuthi uzakuyala.
ngiyambona ukuthi lo
Ufuna nje ngifake umuntu.
ngiyambona ukuthi yenza ngathi ukudla ibhanana yena mlanda lo uzanyaka lo
Awuze vele test ama waters ukuthi isaxoxa labana
ukwenza i-exam
ehe
Abe namhlanje sendaweni engayisi.
omunye ayisi ngiyezwa wayenza ama-exam lona lathi asithi mina la sesijona utshela wathi yiwo ama-science wena la
that's enough for you
yiwo ama-science
lapho ukhuluma nje umuntu omdala vele nxa ukwazi ukuthi ama-social IQs kumele yabo hayi ezinjalo azihloniphisi nje le nto le yokuthi vele kulokunye ukuthi obvious ngingikukhuluma lokhu kuyaluza ukhale lokhu vele ngingikukhuluma
Phela amakhaya basela sikhali ngani.
no that's fine women are the
But ngiyakhalisa true story
emotional
girls
pieces.
Laba bakhalisa.
not me
umdala
into
uyakwazi ikhala
qini into
engakuvuma
angazi waya emankazaneni
lalela khala ukukhali
ukuthi that time bawungahlekisi mina nje ngingumuntu ohleka nje ama-situation but itsho mnami laba lathi ikhala sorry
ukuqhathile
abazomama wena yes awatshela ungathembi
Hayi but abafana wathi.
amankazana wesithe
But ateseze amadoda wini.
amankazana ungazisho ukuthi uhlakaniphile enkazaneni
enye into sonela nje sithi ngibhala phansi
but anyways usadinga uyayithola
sengiyikhumbule yazi
Khuluma ngayo.
into ekhuluma in terms of ama-relationships akade nisithi vele into zomjolo lezi ezifuna isibindi because for example enye into e-fact aba yabona at least yabona thina ngendlela esikhuluma ngayo can tell that ezi zinkani lezi
That's bad.
Because
thina silabo
silobuntu nangutshele enye into futhi okumele like amankazana inanzile ukujona namajita angolava i-fucked up because amajita angolava uyabukwazi ukuthi yonke into ayenzayo kunzima it's hard ukubuka anything enhle empilweni yakhe because you know yena abafazi phakathi so like umuntu akhona nxa ungena endlini ethi ngilele ingubo ezintsha yakwazi wazithengele i-girlfriend even esithi this one time I was in Scientific yakwazi wahambe ne-check but thina sikonjalo just amajita lana ukuthi you know I can do a trip namajita sometimes I can be telling you yakwazi sake saye eHarare salala khona tickets angihamba lamajita but umlava every single what goes very be it a good memory even shared Wazobuthi nje i-shirt yakho ni-blind. Azingithengela ngokuthini.
Uyiphi umuntu atshele bayathanda ukubuka ama-picture. Ibe singarekhodi.
Hayibo. Esingarekhodi.
Ithe.
Eh?
Asisarekhodi. I-audio.
Wena ngumlo yileyo.
But sesizwi.
Yangufu.
Freeze.
So I think ukuxoxa ngento lana kuphambanisa izinto. Encounter yami because ngesikhathi sixoxa kwaka
Ikuhle kona kana.
isound here like
Ngisho watch.
ikhadi beligcwele. So silama minutes anganathi xaxa lapha Elizabeth isizwa khona ama background noises. We sincerely apologize if you don't 12 sec.
If you don't 12 sec.
Na vele angikhulumi inhlamba mntwana.
But besikhuluma ngento zomjolo sitho chera abajola lemlava lan. I have a question for you guys. Or let me just say everyone, yeah. Am I the only one or
Yes. Yes.
fuck you, man.
Yazi the irony ye-sound ubuqeda ukukhuluma ngendaba lana ekanotha.
Vele.
Yeah.
Ngomushakala ngomba.
Karen natanga lapha on camera, fuck.
Oh damn. Ooh,
La ngekela.
thola umqala.
Esha. Esha. Ishiri cousin.
Yawubona umongi mfana
Umongi,
Nebe nathi juice.
Juice.
Yabi.
Angithele ijuice.
Don't tell you juice.
Mina ngiswi. Mina ngithanda lokudla.
Alright. Funa to say this. Kumbuya ngiza ukuthi
Actually, I have a lot to say, guys. I have a lot to say. Mine drinking kalibula.
Uvuthi are you the only one wathi buze?
Yeah. Am I the only one over annoyed? Like maybe let's say a good relationship Lomon. I'm mentioning maybe something they did their ex or
Oh, I saw it.
or kube le conversation ele ex phakathi. Like
Yeah.
whether the ex yangikhona angazi but like
Lingabi njalo bangani bami.
Thank you.
Lingabi njalo.
I don't know dog but there is something in me that's like
Didwa.
Yeah, kuyabhoa. Nakuyambhoa.
Kanti wena uthi ubona nube ngaphi isikhathi sonke lesi wena ungekho.
no ngiyakwazi dog lambe ngiyekho
Ngilaba kulama ex baba.
but like ngithanda ukukhuluma
Wamenza sikhulume nge-ex.
Laba sakhahlela ngihle ngutshela.
yeah ukhona
Hayi
uzakhala
baba. Sakhahlela. Into lana vela manje amaningi yikho phela kuba uthi ayisikuba
Senza
lokukhwela.
ngihubula fast. Ihubule.
Ungayifight uzo mic kakhulu yazi ngani intro ka Lil Wayne. Ezazi hip hop ziyakwazi ukukhuluma kanje.
but yeah iyombuza deni lawo but
lokhana yabhara abantu abaningi banjalo la yomela umridi umuntu wakho ukuthi umuntu wakho
Hey,
njani.
ex yami. Oh, sis.
Not like
alo
that.
amayisinjalo hayi mina
Noma
ngikhuluma
sesixoxa umuzosi le ex yami yazi yathi hayi kumbe ex yami yathi vele ungakhulumi wamele
Vele
sikhulume.
ex yakho.
Na vele lo kumbuza ukuthi ex yami bani ungakubuzi.
mina
Siqhube
dog
asijola
vele
kuphela.
i-conversation yama ex dog
Phuma ayenze.
like zama ndoda like
Are you speaking in context yokuthi uyabukhuluma lo muntu omfunayo or just a friend?
umuntu olayo umuntu wakho
Chero just a friend.
just a friend ngementingane ku just a friend
Ex yani.
Nxa ukhuluma lo muntu wakho ngiyahle ngicela
Manje-
i-address.
or maybe there is
ngimthathe.
this like or maybe there is this ex of mine
Manje ngutshela. Yabona lokho sokutricky ngoba i-age sesikiyo. Abantu bachama serious relationship. So i-ex enye malalela akusekho i-primary kanti i-ex yobengena ties la. I-ex yakhe lapha renta khona babe renta bonke so mastanda ujalo kubuza kanti uchumu ngathi these days yabo or ngubaby mama we-ex yakhe or babe sebenza these days not i-ex ku-age osungena kiyo umoyoza unilalele
no but
ku-age osungena kiyo-ex isiyinto serious
but lalela dog in all this lami ngilawa told my ngidlawa
anguyali
but like igaresi mina mangilawa amfuni kuzwa ukuthi wena le ex yakho
Anguyali.
ladlula ku disque
anguyali iproblem ukuthi ku-age leso ku-unavoidable
No,
ngoba nje
but dog-
i-ex yakhe wayehamba ezimfeni liyabili lonke etown ichayisa nomasana
Yakazi one thing.
mntana munja
one thing about amajita J ama-conversation anjalo sometimes aconfirm amanye ama-insecurities atuvelula ngomuntu do you know that ukuthi and ocheri futhi bazicebele azocheri bazicebela nje
Njani?
liyakhululeka
Hello.
Hello. Sorry, recording podcast.
Ngithatha Princess Kubani.
Kuchaiti ngukamera khona. Uthini? Uthini? Sharp, thanks, bye-bye.
Ihle yakho kiphoza.
Besithini?
Atsakwazi sikhuluma kanjani?
Bese hle ngakhohla la.
Besikhuluma ngani kathi? Abantu should know also when they meet us. When they meet us and they try to remind us into this podcast. In Valentine minute sikhuluma ngani?
Yeah. But bengikhuluma umuntu ocheri wazicebela sometimes uma conversation. Like yakhuluma maybe into oyenza. Like in passing. Uthi maybe Jay this one time sizihambe kwenye oji.
Mina I think I'll bring up ex yakho. Awufuna ugcina indoda. Just don't have it be sex related.
Ngoba lami kambo ungangitsheli ex yakho.
Alapha usambe kakhulu dog.
Lalela if it comes up in a context lani yokuthi umuntu maybe is just trying to tell you ukuthi hayi church le kanjani uhamba khona bengihamba ngesikhathi ngithandana lo bani. Just to let you know ukuthi umuntu ufuna
manje senzondi church manje.
Anguyali but
angisahambi la church yona la.
Asafuni ke church because of that.
Alina khombana abantu abaqeda ukuzalwa alright. Angasidifuna. Ngoba vele lebi unavoidable.
But like I think sometimes kuya ngokuthi ukutshele in a situation enjani. Because isikhathi kabe kumele akutshele so that wena ungafind out ungazondi ukuthi why ungantshela because I think
ukuthi ladla ama chips.
No. Akwazi iqiniso libuhlungu nxa suke wezwa amanga compared nxa ulizwe first time.
Yeah.
Yabona. So kabe kuyi situation yana ukuthi I know wena ufuna uhamba la church Jack mina church singahamba but ngangihamba le ex yami uzazonda but ungahamba la church and but siyakubona lo ubuye lo bhuti wakho namhla boyfriend yakhe when I already the boyfriend.
But abantu abayenza into ezinjalo yini what are the odds?
SDA. Abantu bayakhuluma nje. Abantu babongulahla speak. Hayi majensi yazinana kulenyi. Kulenyi speaking ngasilahla ngemistake dog. Yazi okunye jeke yabungakwazi. Into engihontile namuhla ndoda ngiyiwani ngicha impahla.
Wathi ngeke ngakhuluma into enjalo.
Yazi jeke yabungakwazi. Ngeke ngathi sake sathi ndoda. I'm not going to get into the specifics but ngeke ngakhuluma describe we're trying to conceptualize a music video. Yabo. And we would ndoda.
Senhleka already.
Yabo bese nsithi ingcenye umuntu nathi yazi samushuthi i-music video enje and azikuloku yindawo labona ngani fucked up lokho. Yabona lapha noyindawo kyana vele ungani ukabandoned. Singabe sishuta kompana. Lo muntu engangikhuluma la nje. Kwakungibo. That shit was fucked up.
Man uthini?
Ngezimpindi into leyo kuthethi ngihonda. Imagine like isikade sincede seyizama ushuthi series we drama. So kumele at some point kube lo muntu okidnachiweyo ofaka kwenye indlu ngani abandoned ukuchayilo. Enzithi vele lapha na kule indlu engiyaziyo lapha na majenzi vele. Lapha kuna muntu ohlala ngoba donari la ngatshona siyama sengena. Uvele kungani kungumshasho ochileyo vele unokumchemo wathi kathi ngikhuluma njalo ngidescribe ngini.
Ezokela izithi umkhaya. But lama yangafila sihle wangikhumbuza something dog. Sasizikids lapha angazi ukuthi umjita I feel bad though. I feel bad. Now that usukhuluma ngakho lami. Shumnena angazi ngathi ithethisa. Ngathi ubani mani kagogo wakho. Ngathi gogo wamafa. Eish. Malahlisa ngathi malume layi.
Ngini wangaki. Yeah, la without thethiseki na.
Awusathethiseki la. Awusathethiseki. But speaking of indlu, mina dog ngathi time. Actually ngangathayimini. Then nganjola lo muntu owayehlala I think eSelborne Park. Akathanda ukukhuluma akathanda ukuthi ngikhulume ngayo podcast uzanilanda futhi ngakukhuza ngento but sasihamba le ngichomi la uthonga uDenzel so Denzel lapha ya describe Jay lelizapha lapha ejele kulibonela izapha lena namajensi liswi lena indlu yami lena Jay sithi sithatha ikhona vele indlu khona sikhaya engoDenzel ithi nasi indlu ade ngikhuluma ngayo uCherazade sithi ungikhaya
Hamba lengcono le.
Ingcono le.
Hale ingcono. Hayi. Hale ingcono. Awudenze ngabe sibona Laba. Manje into zokuyita kakhulu nje
composure.
Ebantwini ongabaziyo sokumele ngani uyadzika manje. Into zoba funny guy lesi. Because zikhona into esangazikhuluma sibilo kuyani ndiyame sithi hayi ungayensani kusemapostorini lapho ngikhuluma.
But mina
Kathi bayinathi.
fanele lento.
Amapostori abantu engikhuluma la.
Fanele lana ukuthi kalesi yazi kalesi si dangerous yikuphi. Ukuthi that's gay bro.
I know.
That time uprice ukhona.
Ekubaki. Mina mangithi.
Kwezele zampona inkazo ne9 months.
Nambona ekuba gay ngcono. Tricky these days mase ngiwenda isakhulumeka in public because statistically AIDS. Abathi bethanda kwenza ama jokes AIDS amaningi.
Omiye bechiseleka phakathi.
Sokufacta umuntu yakubambela isikhwili check for some reason ungakwazi.
But isitsheli lawo.
Ungayenzanga na unathanga amaphilisi wohle ngiqhubela amanzi.
Anamajida athanga kwenza ama jokes.
The reason why I think uBreeze wakwakhuluma ngento le ukuthi Jay of course maybe into ezokugula zi-sensitive yawo umuntu abengafuni ukuthi kwazakala but izinto ezinjengokuba gay like if you're gay tell us as your friends because thina sebeshawa ama-gay jokes nje like angeke describe ama-conversation awakhona amajide wodwa like sikhuluma lamana sikhuluma ngento ezokuthi the day maybe siphuma angazi ukuthi siyahamba like senzani ma-gents ama-boys chat ngiyakwazi ukuthi kwenzakala
Mongiwena njalo sakukhuluma into efact lapha emuntwini.
I think it's best ukuthi bakhulume because like I think those that are dangerous is those that are secretly gay, bruh. Because like we've had an experience
9:01
Kuthoni khona?
after 9.
Oh.
Yes. Yabona. And now you discover ukuthi all along.
Thank you.
Isibandi sound yanga.
Tobetsa lapho phosa. Shakiwa.
Bra usucabanga ama comments umjida ayayenza then wena su discover ukuthi vele ngoka 1:09.
Awona izwe. Le scene. Umjida I think I discover ukuthi ijob lakhe eli gay. Lithi uthabanga sitabani. Umanto sezama ukuthi hayi akula problem. Ikhona inkinga. Utabanga sitabani. Ngamba ethi uthabanga ngihlezi ngimbona elokhe ngikhangela phansi kanti ufuna yabo somele ukhulu but anyways namuhla we have a different
format
segment so wacelwa ukuthi abantu babuza imibuzo abantu bayenza ama confessions then thina sobale la so I think umuntu uzawala nguBryce
sithi libuza imibuzo naliyasikhombisa zifebe
Siyalesaba
azalina othas
so uBryce uzabebala lapha imibuzo then sizazama ukuyiphendula
react to you and I guess as earnestly because okunye kule story futhi
but otherwise
Okay, so the first one goes like I like Mgcini. He's so funny and cute. Can his girlfriend fight?
Why Milalwe?
Indaba uthi uyashare wena uthi awula nkinga.
Why Milalwe? No, like no.
Omunye ngezo sithi nxa ngabona uCherry wakho esilo lomunye uCherry engcenye uCherry wakho khona ubumfuna bayekele bale baqede ubusuthatha lo chayiwe ngoba ngeke uhambe lo Johnson endlini.
Man, I think no, like lilana likanda lilana ma-chance aye.
Imama.
Oh, man.
No.
Hey.
Nah.
Asekhulumile.
Umdiyeme.
Kazi ngiyemsezani ngikhuluma so. Masiqedile zengithi.
Bani.
My friend go anonymous lo uthi nguRalph.
Umfakele imessage.
Sithatha Ralph.
Instagram umfakele imessage ha.
DM.
But I know I know. But in some guys, nginanchalanti mina.
Batheni mfana.
Anyabuza like am I nonchalant?
Sebetheni.
Ngibonile la.
Anyabuza.
But ebantwini ngathi njalo.
Mina nginanchalant.
Wena ngathi.
Anangujwayeli.
Nginanchalant.
So Nicole. Sofuna uncenga uthi awambizi Nicole. Uthi mo.
Wena nje kithi ngoba sesijwayelile.
Nginanchalant.
Thasi ujwayele, alright.
Awuqondakali.
Ngiyenjani ke?
Yaba confused.
Ngala abona akathi Tom yakho nena ngathi njani ke iyazimaka yini. Unjalo cha.
Eish.
Enye into futhi ekubhayizisa kakhulu wena. Umgcini ngabona esebenzisa ifoni athi I think i-eyesight. Uthi kana usebenzisa ifoni ifani. Uyabe kanuni uyali record uyabethe. Yabo. So at some point sokukwatha ngana abantu bathi
Chomle yenza.
Yes record akathi yenza. Ngazothi abo breeze lanseli buya labo chombeni be content sebezirecorda. Ngathi hayi bajensi ngaboni.
I think maybe ngokuyi defense mechanism kwenhloni. Maybe. Yeah.
Oh yes.
Yikho ukuchalanta kwakhona.
Yikho khona ukuchala.
Nginanchalant.
It's talenting.
That's another thing also maybe that people don't realize. Uchomlo waduma.
Ngafuni.
Wadume kafuku. Yabo. Kule stand up comedian engangiyibukele. City it's funny how we let the least social people create social media. Like yabona Mark Zuckerberg nabantu. But they gave us the format on how to socialize. It's pretty much the same thing that happened with this fucking guy.
Mina to guy.
Ngoba into zama podcast abo mjolo FM wozenzele bedroom yakhe yabo.
One man to. Ngizithwele ngabe ngahleki futhi. Because awungihlekisi.
Umchazi.
But abantu sebona ngani wena very social guy. Ubabona abahambe kuma 40.
Yeah.
Walungis. Wafati ngomdrop off. Chapche ngeke khuluma.
Ebeqhubeka zakufoni.
Ezekufoni
Lapha nje sithi nje voice note 7 minutes.
Ubafoti ucakile ngoba amandla wonke aphelele ku-10. I-digestive system 80% yaku voice box.
Ama calories ahamba nge-word count. Anyways, qhubeka talk with the questions.
Okay, the next one is not really a question. I think maybe it's a compliment. Kabelo made me realize that I'm actually sapiosexual. Anyways, I had a crush on my boyfriend's brother, in brackets, before my boyfriend and I started dating. The first few weeks of being in the relationship were kind of weird for me until I realized how much of a turd the brother is.
Bathini? Insumpe sexually? Enzani kawena lapha?
Yini manje le?
Ngile nsumpe sexually.
Yini le?
Okay, a
sapiosexual
sapiosexual is someone who's attracted to intelligent people.
Mawubona physics uthi.
Wow. Wow.
Yeah.
Amanje siswama amafuthi ngokudurisa bona.
Wow.
Wow, this guy.
This guy. Oh my God.
All the time.
Wambalela le constitution.
Like umntu uma-40 fana is a well-learned guy.
Ngiyakutshela mina into lesayikhuluma kaningi. 60% of our politicians have never read the constitution. Uma-40 wayibala.
So uma-40 like umsapiosexual. So when the uma-40 leaves.
Umsune sexual. Also, she's saying, she sounds like she's saying she was attracted to the older brother, I assume. Then she started dating Lo. Sihle sime khona abantu babona umama. Uthi umama uyabuya endlini ethandana la kodwa yena efuna ubhuti wakho.
Eish, Jesu.
Theba bengakathandani. Theba bengathandani.
Hathi usedate Lo. So the first few weeks felt awkward. I assume it felt awkward for her being there, knowing that she had been attracted to the older brother. But then after hanging out with the older brother, he then realized the older brother just wasn't smart enough to keep her interested. So I think she made the right choice. So I guess I can say all things work together for good, I guess.
Mongi, like yakukhombe umjida usondele emjideni ufuna le access to the other guy. Well, let's say ufuna ubreeze. then you want to praise utshona lami. Wona so do you guys do that?
Uzama uchaya
Awa
i-edge
udala maybe high school. Ngakhathesa.
trying to edge you up the pussy.
Praise.
Zamuye dropa.
Price. Price kan ukwazi something mina wazi.
Praise it again.
Price khulu. Wazi. Ntshela.
But I would say
Price.
indaba le sapio sexually le.
Sayikhuluma phansi.
Nganyinga yabona nani? Yabungakwazi ukuthi umuntu osmart uqhakathekile until uhlangane
Lo muntu udala.
nomuntu ongekho smart. Oh, my name is yo.
Khona vele I'm sure
My name is
to a small extent almost wonke umuntu umsobosexual anyway. But kulabanye vele uthiwa more than abanye.
Akula.
So I respect you. I respect you for saying that. I mean, it sounds like you are saying you're attracted to me as well. So, mana ngingunike something lapho ekumanzisa ipaint lapho.
Asambe ngekudlisa spaghetti bolognese.
Nanzi ekumanzisa umama ipaint lapho thanda umsapiosexual. Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. Washa.
We are eternity. Like let's QSC siyaba.
I think so.
We're doing this on a regular basis.
Alright, azibambe lapho next one.
Okay,
ukuthi ngihlala ngwathola anyways.
Okay.
Fundeka buzo ezisikhiwa sabe sokhwaya la. Qhubeka.
okay. Lay a quick one. I think you can also respond to it fast.
Quickie.
Ndayithanda.
Just Elani live show.
It's Morgan. On my live shows. Like has I would describe until like he set up here to la. Singama catfish la. Not to good tina singama catfish, but like he outcome is sweet. But he takes in the behind. Like his studio behind,
yes.
like that happening. Uzafika uti how? Yabo?
So
So
I just live show ngavuma. Do you think
unless on that particular day, singa dingi equipment proper siwili
outside of that we can do a live stream, but getting everyone to I don't know.
But I feel like dog tina pela soma dog. Asoma performer like uti music yabo.
Nigga, speak for yourself.
Like when yabuzuhamba usegitisi. When you was ugitisi and mina vele bekuthiwa nginani challenge. The reason why you're comfortable like this is because like I know you guys.
Labangani bakhe abangu-6.
But mase ngikhuluma sengilambukile ngabantu abangu
Umgcini sapiosexual ye camera.
Wow. But anyways, and to tell you quickly. Next.
Okay, talk guys. For me, it's a crazy question or story, but it goes like this. I never been in a relationship ever in my life, but my body count is crazy.
Hey.
Maybe around 40 to 50.
Ola manga.
And I'm 26.
Manga.
What do you think of this?
Asini kusisi lapha.
Ola manga lo.
Kaza yabe relationship
Ola manga lo.
but body count 50.
Abantu bala manga ku internet. Amanga now.
Yazi ivideo lani TikTok
Cap.
ithi isifebe. Yahlala.
But it's fair, eh?
Wena ubona kuyenzeka into njalo. Cause we can't even tell ukuthi umuntu oyindoda ngomama lo.
Maybe indoda. Abafana nali capable vele. Uthi yakwansela ukuba ku relationship kodwa kuphela. Body count ikhwela every day.
Khalondosisa bakwenza. Ingxo yathenga lo uyanya lo. Kanti vele
Kaza
awusenzi body count ubana nama wentsho wabhatalelayo.
Yeah,
No,
possibly.
that's cheating the system, man. Some
Some
of us are working for pussy here. You guys are stat patting. Fuck that shit. Asivali fake game kuphela. Ngalivali umuntu yabevali into ahamba.
my numbers akhe lawa my numbers akubalela we masturbation.
Ngawuthenga la.
Yeah.
But it could be possible nxa ethenga. Look, wena nxa ulechero wakho engxenye liyakwanisa ukuthi in a month libe layo 30 to 40 times.
Hayi susithini.
All right, 20 to 30 times daily, right? and
yehla vele
20
praise.
ngoba i8 days leziyani yabe busy yabo but wena nxa uthenga uyabuthenga a different person every day
No, I think
possibly
it's more into le possible because possible emntwini lomusa.
Awuphana
nxa
naye.
engucherry
Even no more obvious yeah, mawuche.
bajijena kula musa ndoda ngazube lo musa ngabe ngakunika bakuniki
Yeah, khona hey utricky hey.
hey but majensi kulabanye
Maybe unsiswe lo musa ophana nayo. Kancane.
basisa abanjalo ba right every now and then each kasi
But muzathathwa mbani?
you have to
What given?
Yes. He great sacrifice. But nobody check man check. Now uzaba liwench mos ukuthatha just relocate. Awuza kunanzela usiso ukukasela kopho sotho asehlale ezwishabane or something. Now you have the answer. The body count was a dizzying height.
Yeah, there is always that one bro.
Qina usunankise nomdala othunga izicathulo. Subona ukuthi la somene ngishift ikasi.
Yeah. You're so bad.
it's just like osikade sawukhuluma earlier in the
But
podcast.
50 is crazy, bro.
50.
I cannot do that. Mphuceni.
Nanso engiqamela
Mphuceni kuku.
nanso engiqamela amanga kulabantu engibaziyo. Ngizama khona.
Abaqinisile lami ukhona usiseyimaze.
Yeah, but lokhu possible. Ukhona umunye okwantshele yakhe. Ngifuna ukuthi
Now labantu engibaziyo
Ayisebenzisi nje, ayisebenzisi.
40-50 in a space of 2 years. Real talk dog, I'm not even lying.
Anjani?
Umuntu okwazi uchayi 40-50 in a space of about 2 years. I know people like that.
Sis.
anyway sizagcina sicabanga kakhulu la.
Sicela sicabanga lamabili
next,
ungabe ukhuluma ngoba.
Next question.
Animals.
lo ngomunye obezichazekela uphomba ukuthi I haven't masturbated in 4 years
Amanga.
Hayi misiqezela izandla.
Ngoba yeah, actually yes. Well done, buddy. Keep going.
okay crazy story dark too but you can read it. There is a recent episode where someone mentioned ukuba lingathengela umuntu ogulayo ama-stompies sevaya. It was funny and sad too cause December I bought my mom stompies like shoes. Umuntu wazilalela ngokuthula ngoJanuary engawagqokanga. It was funny when hearing that statement and I just love how random you guys are. You make us laugh, cry and go through all the emotions and I love that. Omunye ngizomkhothisa.
Amastompi.
Benzafile ngamastompi.
Hey.
I respond to it.
Yeah, he dark humor guys. He dark humor. Masalo wathengela ama-stompi and
Sivele simkhuzile ku episode 2.
Uthi amastompa dangerous.
Sasikhulumile ungabothengela umuntu amastompi umuntu uyavaya.
umasalo wathi mntanami sathenga ama-stompi yini lawo.
Damn, that's crazy.
Damn.
Crazy.
What I can say about it is, I guess thank you for sharing that story. And it goes to say, Uti, maybe it's what I was saying earlier, Uti, you give people a chance to grow with the podcast. This is why sometimes we keep doing this, even though there is no financial benefit to it. It's because you just don't know who you're helping out there and what they're going through.
I feel like lathi kuyasinceda ukubuya la.
Yeah,
Na
that's true.
personal kuyanceda yo.
Amanga,
Depression.
ngoba bafana sebekufuna. Alimfuni nje umongi.
No kuyanceda ngoba nje besendlini yi1 ngicabanga so mangabe lapha la
Usubatshela ukuthi ibhesi likhona.
la belinhlekisa.
Ngicabanga ngiyi-one. Mina ngihlala guys.
Ngiyalele embhedeni wami omutsha. Eceleni kwembodlela lelubu. Utheni mongi?
Le TV. Pono ye-TV.
Kethe lami lesithi room lakhanyisela uyabona uMastandi.
Lokhana ngikhothi kulo muntu osakwenza kodwa ungazibona ubukela ipono nge-TV dog. You need to fucking talk to someone. Ipono singeyefonini.
Is everything okay?
Naselaptopini.
Aba-downloadayo.
Yazi mina kulesikhathi. Fuck me.
Kule story enfuka usixoxa. Ngicela ukusixoxa istory lesi.
Axoxa istory sakhe sabzifaki.
Story lezani. So there's this friend of mine, amajita ayi-2. So amajita la let me say mina lo Breeze sifakatshela uPrice sorry because my ex yophethe mina lo Breeze sifakatshela uPrice so then masingena lapha neRuben sithola uPrice ujumekile khanye uPrice uthe eshayi isikotshi lapha washaya ubuthongo baze baphela yabo like washawa
wajumeka
so thina sesimkhandile lapha
dang
senzeni Breeze akwenzi ukuthi uBryce alokuze la abonti simbonile asiphume
iyafaka idynamic
asiphume mase sithutsha karesi sihle siqasi kumemeza
ufuna igezi ngwang
ethi ukwenze ukuthi ubhudiyasi
athatha chance
athatha chance
kathi amakhova lawa avuthwa
la kathi yes chomali wazi ukuthi sayishaya truck pass but
athi sizokuthola
it is what it is man
mekele imkhumbuzo uthi kodwa lona day
imessage lebi ngemasturbation sifike njani masturbation
khona sikhuluma ngani
e4 years akubele 4 years lelo kuzina amastombi but anyway it's fine qhubeka dog ngiyambuzo umbuzo le interesting le kani siza eminye sizayenza next week but it's fine
abanye lapha
besenda
abanye lapha ngakade befuna usichaza nje kuthiwa singahlala hlala likhumbule ukuthi eCentenary Park kulezipoko
Lucas Jerry story sakhe
Daqina ke Centenary Park guys omongi laba basavumi
hayi sele nabe Centenary
anti yabo
mina ngacina last week ngisagadi ibenze emhlophe
oNicole abadli chicken ini dog umuntu ebefuna ichicken ini zanze sithi ufuna ichicken ini ebefuna inkukhu yeCotton that time konke ngama-broiler
it's true
uyathoki
cause lapho kuyole marinara sauce majensi kule sauce yabo lana bayifaka ema-containini amancane yani ayi
sise siyayichasa manje fike endlini swana
niyalapha bombe ichicken bese silazela incomo udodi yo bese sithi umbele ikhuluma ngiyalabana ukuthi
bega yayibona
besithi likhulumele yalabana ukuthi nxa bengafuni unika i-change bakubuza ukuthi
ngichasa ngicithi light so
ndoda bale sauce yabo la last of last week kade mbiye khona uTsepo sosukela ngo2 so i-1 sayivumelana ukuthi hayi le siyayishaya enyaba ngiyakusasa sisichaya ipasta lapha sathi imali lamb chop
kanje kule pasta futhi abo basilimaza
Basin.
yeah ne
yeah
okay try not a confession but moved from Bulawayo to Vic Falls akusabhowi nje kwa tourist city cela uncedo lwabangane
Vic Falls is boring like let me say this
lo muntu okhomentayo lokuzenini le egroupini
me I'll just say
amase Vic Falls udinga abangane uyicherry yazi vele ngazithi ngizakhuluma ngento le
umuntu yakwazi ukuthi
ngazithi ngizakhuluma into le understand amajit like umjito ongangaziyo bro yani ngiya understand izichome ezingaziyo to some extent maybe but awungazi ngomjito umfaka ku close friends yakho why
ubonisa
lawo kathi bakho kuthanda
why
konfuba ama close friends lamankazana phela
maybe nxa yikho kuthiwa nonchalant sorry ngiyazidlalela
do you mean on social media
yeah
ayabefuna ubona istuff sakhe
ngafuna ukubonisa
abantu like maybe chero ongakazi ukukhuluma laye akufaka close friends then the next thing ubone post imjito wakhe khuluma ngento ezenzakalayo like is a real
kuyawuzusa ubuhlungu
what the fuck
ona kuyawuzusa ubuhlungu
no like ku awkward because besingakhulumi vele
senye wena ula close friends kulokuzeni
ngitshela ngimposta ama close friends
but ula
indawo zingazi man
I'm post phela ikhona but I'm post
ayisikho kiyo asikho kiyo nje
usifaka
I'm post
abantu right all right
za posta ngifake ngifuna ukubonisa something namuhla
zan
nje ngifuna ukulibonisa
nje ufuna usibonisa something thula khona
thula mina ngifuna ulibonisa
imanulanga laleli phina mina vele I believe uHR ngubani the company yeni so uyimu HR self appointed sokwenzakele manje lalela nini i-workplace etiquette ithi ngabonani imtshazethi Sebenza lonke.
Yakahlupha.
Selingafani kuma-close friends. Likhipha kuma-close
Why?
friends. lonke.
Singabodade bethu labobhuti bethu la.
Siyizihlobo.
Namphela ngenza into zabafana lonke ngabobhuti bami.
Number 1.
Alapho right la. Masikuphekisa.
Wonke vele emhlana la emgaqweni ngobhuti wami.
I-close friends yakho ungayenza ukupost into ezinjalo ama-payslip akho into ezinjalo sibone ukuthi lawe singakucela imali.
Uposta amasi. Viewers. Umuntu uposta amasi. Hayi anyeke dog. But anyways akule munye umbuzo.
Okay, kuthiwa ku-rough guys. Ngilomfazi lomntwana 2 years old, constantly fighting, and the last fight I took an overdose of chlorpheniramine. Tabs, hoping I'll go silently and peacefully in my sleep. Unfortunately, I survived. I don't know how long.
Unfortunate for him. It's unfortunate.
Bro, come on, man. Come on, man.
Come on, guys.
Come on, dog.
Come on now, dog.
Now, Wafi.
Sorry. Anyways,
Anyways,
unfortunately. sure.
Unfortunately, I survived. I don't know. I don't know how long I can take this, because when I say let's go our separate ways, uyala, the whole thing is just toxic and the environment is not good for umntwana. I'm just venting.
Jesus.
Akubheda.
Liyahlupha leli.
Sahlupha. Ala ebethula ungayisuye. Hey, uzofuna lokuzibulala?
Yeah, that's a bit crazy.
Inkonye abantu bayajinja guys.
Nathi kwami umuntu uyabuthola mvelo umuntu ongayisuye yani. Fonti mana ngiqinisele sibone.
Because mina nje ngabone i-video. I think lena best advice yomjolo. Anyways, before ngikhuluma i-advice le, yananze ukuthi these days wonke umuntu nganole advice nje nge-relationship. If you want a perfect relationship, if you want a that time basebenzisa ama-experiences wabo. Wonke umuntu le advice kuphela.
That time wadujola labantu abasebenza i-Inarazeti. Ngike ngakhonjwe i-Inarazeti mina. Ngikwazi ukuthi li-enjanjini libhebhana njani. So niki i-advice yakho le eyabantu ukuthi kuthiwa ngo-12 kumele ikhiphe ikhanda lesitimela. Mina ngithanda it's fucking nonsense. It's fucking nonsense.
Yebana.
Advice proper engayizwayo. Lo muntu lana wathi xa uzafuna ukusettle down nomuntu, you want to get married, take note of ama-patterns, not ama-promises. Like, Jay, indlela umuntu abehave ngayo guys. Indlela like guys, awunamuntu otshintshayo guys.
Yeah.
I-behavior yakho guys yindlela ozazi.
Kutshintsha. Umuntu ehlula uthi angirayi.
And as umuntu lana went on to say, i-decision omele uyithathe uma ukuthi ku-relationship. Sengitshela lina lonke elijolayo guys. Umuntu olayo guys, mawumkhangela izinto ezikucaphula ngayo, I'm sure zikhona vele omunye sometimes amkhaya ukuthi kodwa ikhanda leli. Yabo? But uma uzikhangela into zona lezana, izinto obona ingani ungazitolerate yini for the next eternity, depending on ukuthi liphile isikhathi esinganani. Or izinto vele ongakwanisiyo like ofuna zijinje. Ma izinto zakhona zingani eziningi ongazifuniyo, you know what to do, man, because you end up saying unfortunately I'm alive.
Hey. That's good. That's solid advice.
Because omunye wathi abafazi bonke yi-problem, wayetshela amadoda wathi abafazi bonke bayi-problem, but as a man kumele ukhethe i-problem oyikwanisayo.
Ongayimela.
Yes, and i-problem yakho oyikwanisayo ungayikhetha. Uzibuze futhi ukuthi umuntu lo, if it happens ukuthi azithwale, would I regret it or I'll be fine with it? Because no one is perfect. Nxa kuthiwa for better or for worse, worse yangikhona kumele uyikhangele.
I think iwesi lena bekhuluma ikhala mase likhulile lapha nomuntu mayisesithe.
Vele problem ukuthi awutholi le chance yokuzibuza imbuzo nale ngoba wona
Yesikhathi sangikhona usakubona.
But mina I think mina kulento enzayenza umuntu esiza chata sonke angixolele. Ngoba mina ngizakuhleka nje like ungazithwala.
I'm not doubt. Ngesikhathi sangikhona bongasakubona.
Ungazithwala like that time umuntu akubuze. Baby sengimuvi. That time umuvi inkosi yami.
Ngidala isikhala limakhala amabili. Roast.
Akuthi lina vele
yeah.
ndachuka.
But I don't know if it works for other people, but like nxa umuntu wakho li really close, like kulezinye izinto ezingama error umele lizitshelane zona, but in a way yokuthi you can talk about it. Mina, I won't mention izinto zami le cherry yami, but that's what we do. Nya acknowledge ukuthi okay, mina for me into lineli khangele, mina guys they kiss my daughter. And they kiss my daughter. And I'm proud of it, yabona.
Uyasangaza umntwana uqale kiss madoda aqala ngalaphana isikwazi khona sonke. Qala ngaphana mntana.
Mpose ngakhuluma enye into.
Asicela uba wazi lapha elikwazi khona mina ngikwazi.
Price ngiyakwazi ukuthi mawukaka uflash, but it's fine. Ukuthanda njalo. Happens.
Babe, uphindile.
But I think the best relationships have those conversations. Ona la na tricky ona la. And singa qapulana maybe uma conversation angona. Following days yakwazi ukuqhubeka ngempilo. Like asibambelana izikhwili zokuthi ngutshela into engayithandiyo yenzayo. Or just find a way.
Example ngabazali bami. I think even the way people say what you end up, because the relationship yabazali bakho you wanna qala during your formative years, so you end up trying to duplicate that in your lokuze nini. Mina vele umdala wami lo masana mbathana into zokuchokana. But it's always so light-hearted ukuthi umasana ngani kule idea ngageza wajika chitha ngabe sebhaketini wespace. Umdala wafuna wathi usilile imoto ena fuel mfana. Memfu uthatha ibhakede leli impela lemsebenzini. Ngizongena ofisini ngithi kwinlock. Masana mahleka 1 hour to.
But I think into nale nginanzelele ngabo sebekhulile ukuthi kuyenzakala. Masana wanhlekela umdala nje yazi ngizubuhlungu that day. Nganhleka la mpari. So umdala was an Android user for some time. I topeliti selifuna switcher to because wonke umuntu endlini sebenzisa iPhone. Sharp. Ngimtshele kodwa ngithi topila. I-transition ngiyangona ufuna ube smooth. Mana qhubeka ukusebenzisa WhatsApp yakho le yadisebenzisa le. Liyanume le inkabe. Inkabe I think yathi zama ukuthumela inkabe izama ukuthumela i-message angazi ke ithumela bani. Inkabe biche i-create group. I-create group ibhala i-message yakho la defuka ithumela. Good morning Moyo. Angazi ukuthi nguphi umoya emdinga lapha. Good morning Moyo. Sent. Group created. I-plan elikhona. I-plan elikhona ukuthi sisonke sifake i-group. Amafoni angena khona sasifanele sonke. Aba andisebebuza. Kathi yafaka. Umuntu omdala sokuhamba njalo. Jay, uMasaru wahleka waze wakhala inyembezi nje. Wahleka waze wakhala umdala ngambona so hayi chom lami laba lizondile. But anyways, do you have any?
No. Can I? Oh, ubefukhuluma. Oh, I wanted to also say ukuthi anyway. Okunye sesikukhuluma maybe sesingawukhulumela, you know, just in each general vicinity of my relationship, but for this specific one, for Chomlo, Oti, and he's married, and there's a kid involved. So I can see maybe where some of ubunzima bokusuka buba khona. Mina, I wouldn't know anyway. I'm not in a situation like that. So I would say I would give the kind of advice that my girlfriend gives. She likes to say, use discernment. Look into your heart and really ask yourself, what is the best course of action that I'm not going to, feel guilty about?
Nje ukuthi yazama ukuphuma bamlandela futhi. So uyadiscern ukuthi sharp I want to leave.
Lakala option.
Abadala phansi or something. Or abadala bahlaliswa phansi.
I feel like abadala that's the only option now.
Ngoba nxa uzitshayisa phansi doc, are you saying that was the only way, unless I might be wrong, unless Lawe is a person maybe lokwakho kade uvela nama depression akho.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
No.
So now, of course, you're in a shit relationship, but is it really just being in a shit marriage that makes you want to off yourself, or maybe
underlying?
Because you could just leave. What is stubborn actually?
Awuyathi swi.
That's the only way ungasuka ngayo.
Awuyathi swi sharp hambo uphenduke endlini. Hambo metha.
But damn, bro, honestly, man, all the best.
Yeah, kuzaba sharp.
Hayi akusoze kube sharp, but yenzi
kuzaba ngcono.
make a choice
Kuzaba
that you can
ngcono.
live with. Ungajingani, ungasichiyi.
Jay, cabanga ama situation onke abheda esawa kiyo like but saphuma yiyo.
Ongaba ngcono phela utephuma. But phakathi ngenothi akubi ngcono bhutas.
Obvious, ngizama ukuthi nani at the end of the day i-solution izaba khona. Singayekela ka rest but izaba khona.
Yeah, but not ama profokofrokofo.
Right. Yeah.
So kulomnye umbuzo lapha okade uzithi wona, have you guys ever had a guys night out or something like that?
Have we ever had a
Guys night out, like lihambe out as amachita?
Tina, is a match in the pod?
And what happened?
I mean, we've had a bunch.
Wangona.
Are we looking for like a benchmark? Are we looking for a benchmark?
I think actually story time.
Finish.
So this one time, I'll say ngikhuluma timeline. 1 + 1 2 zabona la 2022, 2023, 2021. Yeah. Khona pano zabona ihamba njani. So this one time, yeah, when I say it's a perfect day for amajita, like siyavuka ekuseni sibambe inhloko
Nganginathi.
okhona.
Yebo.
Ayibona ngani ngaxoxa istory ongekho khona. Sibambe inhloko lapana sharp. Sibukele idisc. Yonke Jay, like a perfect day. Yelokuzenini like yamajita. Sasingekho ezim, sase SA. So I know one person who watches this podcast. And so mana simdingile ibizo sithi mba. Yeah, sithi go price. Go price. Uprice ngiyakwazi ukuthi uprice is a fan of the podcast. Mana ngimbiza uprice nje. Price dog. Since you're a fan of the podcast, amajita akho ayinachi la. Kuya njani? Sizobukela idisc. Uprice abuya. Sibukela idisc isidlala uFIFA sibe yiswi like sokudliwa lapha like sesidla lapha ni.
Idelane.
Uprice athi Machens, I have an idea. Afa Jay. Anyways, Uprice athi I have an idea. Asikhangene emafesi. Khangela. Uprice athi Machens, ngiwilling ukukhipha imali engaka so lingavuma ukuthi sihambe ku strip club. Khangela. Uprice angikhangela. Athi chomla mawufa. Mina wena uthi. Olunye vele solution luyejija.
Ngani yalubona ukuthi
Olunye vele soluyejija vele solukhuluma ligqoka. Mina ngiqalisa ukusuggesta ngithi Majenzi but imali leyi
Umdidi wakhe lo. Hey, sithenga amanye ama-mic for sec.
how
I'm like imali leyi guys you can do something yawena
mama
productive we can buy.
Kube ngangisobha kanza vumelane la. Iproblem ngase ngibunkintshile vele mina ngasa give a fuck.
Ubreeze mangikhuluma amabala aphuma emlonyeni wakhe. I'm not making this up bro. Ubreeze wangikhangela wathi uqine mngani wami. Ubreeze athi uqine mngani wami. Awufunise inqantsha sonke. Yika kahle ngabona konke right. Gear 5. La akusela like kubuyela ngemuva. Sharp usifumela. Anyways, mina that time I was in a situationship as you guys call it. Situationship. But I'm like, if one day ngihamba izanhlupha le. One day mana ngichiye. Ngikhambe endaweni chief phone but I was like, "Hala, plaza indawo esiyakiyo dog." Abayazi i-summit. Ngazi liyakwazi ukuthi located nga. Yebo? Amajita sivumelane sesiphuma lapha si4. Amajita ay4 la dog. Request i-Uber. I-Uber izwakala.
nabehlala khona futhi lakho kusekucineni le
Cineni komhlaba ndoda. Ubibuye lapha ichomlelana lona kuthutha amajita e4 lihleli ngani liyaqalisa ukushifta. Upresenter aya chomla. Relax, you are just 4 guys. Ababhonyelwe.
That's the only way I could disarm that guy.
We wanna go and have some fun. Like chomlami vele relax.
I didn't want to trip ukuthi this year.
Itrip andi yabona vele ithi siyangaphi vele. Asiyom jita vume singene emoteli. Omjita ngani ngasithembi vele.
Vele ngasithembi uchomla.
Uthi apha emergency ngazama something nesibham la. Anyways, sharp, it's fine. Uprice lomjita bazwanani because uprice vele uthi karona indaba ongafuni ukusithwala wena ngomsebenzi wakho. Price udakiwe. Uprice sesimoshela izinto yabona. But umjita siqalise sibile la i-conversation to your point ukuthi
vele ngiyamdisamayo ukuthi ngamtshengisa ingoma zakhe.
exactly. Uprice amtshela mina ngenza music.
Anzanje njani ngathi ngidi superstar.
Okay, what is superstar? Superstar. Anyways, kubeka istory donga ngekho one.
Hayi wena khona mnandi.
Selijikelana.
Yabo. Sifike lapha nendawo lapha. Masifike lapha singene.
Inkabi lithi ATM.
Inkabi lithi ATM.
Yena batheni ndo labazathi inkabi engani yiswi.
So lapha ama 10 rand because amanda rand avumi imali ethe ayivumi ukuthi
abangaze befike i-summit i-strip club eserious eJoburg ama ATM abo vele wonke akhipha ama 10 rand
yabo
because osisi labana kumele liwabonge for umsebenzi wabo omuhle abawenzayo
Omuhle.
muhle dog.
Omuhle so banzi so umuhle ipinki so umsebenzi awenza
Oyipinki.
yazi Poloni ayikhulunywa ngubreeze. But anyways, singene lapha anzake mbone izichomi zami zithawe ngendlela ezazithawe ngayo that day. Yabona ama moments lana joke ukuthi into efani so bani lakwazi mina vele ngangisoba but kwakufika ama moments sothi sakhangelana so sonke siscream so
mina personally umgcini vele ngomuntu o limited emotional range sireke kumbone iLiverpool mayidlala ekungambona khona ehlanje but iday kana nje umgcini wayethabi that day umgcini wayehappy wesof nxa so wafika eSummit yebo wasisilabana abangene wesof iminkabe sasihamba ehle yasihlalisa
Price ublind vele.
Price ingozi kule stage esiyisquare so kusiba lama bar stool ahlezi around the stage then kusiba lama booth akhatshana lana abantu abaziblomela just otfuthola ama lap dance mayithi nazandla zahlala uyabuhlezi so stage antu ula stage isila
so mayifika lapha yafika hlale like phambi kwakho
ndoda and futhi balani ndoda Summit ukuthi imali yaphela phela bathela somuntu odlalisa imali and futhi uzubona nje thina sikuthi sama jenzi ukuthi ayizothenga isitonyeni we were just happy to enjoy the ambiance just seeing so many gorgeous women dog so asibayenzani babele kuyibubble mafuta bubble mamanzi so sabela ke sadala abana besezithele
Ngiyalijaja.
Ndoda sahambe yebona ndoda
Angeke.
Lalela belo. Ezikhwakhwa ezithele ngamagwebo. So i-stage sonke vele after i-performance yamopho vele ngoba i-stage lesa vele sesimanzi yabo. So yabe sisenzani? Eseskida so ndoda.
yazi ukuthi umuntu yathi
woo ebuye efike nje phapha ngakho yazi umuntu umgcine kiba ama 10 rand ezithi please.
Lapho ngicini ngimthembe.
Ayidina nengayenzi.
wesi into enhlekisa I think into yasihlekisa the most lo munye my sister uPrince wathi my sister uyasazi lo maybe nqabukile
Lo wesazi lo wesenza ngabomu lo.
my sister lo ubuya nje
Wahlabela ingoma othani.
sengikhohliwe usakhumbula ingoma wena
Hayi kulenye ingoma kulenye iphathi sadubuka sonke la wazohleka ku my sister ahlabele enye lyric wabe khombela wena wona ublusha. Like let's say kwakuyingoma engani nge-Westlife but the lyric engani and I'm thinking kwabo ethampanga sithi and I'm thinking ngoba ithula khona umgcino wabe sithi you umgcino wablusha say my sister noduka wahleka
Uprise wathi usisilo uyasazi lo. Ngendlela ereact ngayo lo usisilo uyasazi. But anyways, fast forward. Ingqondo sezibuya kare manje. Phela into awazi isikhathi singahamba lapha ingqondo sezibuya ama-gents somele sihambe endlini. Siphume lapha indawo esikiyo ngama meter tax. Abantu bayazi situation eyenzakala. Lapho kulama meter tax khona it means akubuyi ama Uber like awula taxi fare. Request thina senza inkani. iUber ibuye siphume sihambe siyongena uUber. Sithi siyasuka umjidalana kulezi chomi sezimile manje. Phandle.
Khona izitina nto.
Sazithwele izitina.
Abaphume la betaxi incama 4 ekseni eHillbrow nto.
Abaphume labo ekseni.
Uchomana yiko wathi isibhode wathi let's meet at KFC but asasingacafi.
Siyazela ngapi
Phumela
KFC
thina sibona iKFC lapha asiziwokhele sithi
umjidalana asichiye dog sesistranded manje la.
Athi hayi hanje wathi ibhodani isihlangane ngalo. Qasa ugijima thina.
Qasa ugijima masigijima nje kulezi chomi ezisilandelayo so.
Asanje ama taxi nto.
Amajidalana athi lizavuka vele siya ngapha.
Labana futhi senhlanhla ukuthi 1 sasidakiwe. Sengizikhulumela mina nangasawudinga la.
Wena usop.
Yazi mina
Umgcino wayile sugar rush.
Ayo, ngoba to be honest, it really took us leaving that situation to realize our night could have been really fucked up. Labana sagambla ngempilo zethu. Sasigijima eHillbrow ngama half 3 ekseni.
Awona into emnengi niyo laba itifoni nje endlini.
Manje mina ngithwele konke. Yakwazi dog enye into yasincedayo futhi nambona lapha futhi kongenza ngakhuluma namajida la. Because mina ngamakhuluma nje ngathi sokora sitsheleni bethi senzeni. It's cause one my size and because kwakuyi-winter mangigqoka ijacket elikhulu. So angigqoka ibomber jacket.
Lapho umuntu ugijima.
So asebesibhotele sithi hey bazolidubula lapha ningayenza into enifuna ukuyenza kodwa ngayenza ithi alright asikwazi phela sitshele into isenzeni. Athi khwapha ama meter taxi akhona ndoda kuyabe kuyi 600 ukuya lapho esihlala khona. Thina lapho esihlala khona.
Lapho price kasazwakali. Price. Awufaka i-budget.
Sephela ama-10 rand.
Ama-10 rand zephela.
Phela kasekhuluma izinto ezingazwakali price. Anyways, one of the boys.
Price wayingozi wayiqhubela i-10 rand ngomlomo lapha ndoda. Awu price wayingozi.
Price wayithanda mna. Afikade nje.
Uyabona mina ngawufaki eyifakela ama lips nethu. Usisi wakho nifike ehlalethi. Yazi umgcini yazi ngibona izinyo lomhlathi. Ngigcine ethi freezing ngaze ngaba happy.
Namhlanje lijajile lonke.
Labana it was an experience that needed to be had.
But yeah. Sacina siyitholile transport. Sabuyela endlini. Into efani sesibuyela endlini laba sithi sime kwenye lokuzela. Kwenye intersection. Elingisho lithi Phela umdlala lapha. Phume emotweni ubhutasi. Athi ama-gents mina ngizalibona siyabona uCherab lapha. Afone kodwa sitshela ukuthi ungenile phakathi sebebonke.
I think as far as days and nights go, that's one of our nights. So lavana singamajita. Saba lento yonke sabukela idisk sadakwa sadla ukudla komnandi sakholisa saba le near death experience kwaphelela konke.
Lapha zazikhala lapha. But anyways, I feel like imbuzo lapha sisingabe singayiqedanga yonke. Sizayiqhubeka next week. Let's do that actually.
Afucha one more yokugcina. Awusela.
Okay, ikhona. So we are also leaving the link on the description.
This is 1 hour. One hour 30. Guys, bengiyeko guys.
Ngani sifoldile. Ye baba.
Okay, I need advice. Angiyakwazi advice ngiyaphuma K-Breeze. So I'm part of a group of friends from Varsity.
I'm part of an LGBTQI group.
Yeka ubutabane. Next.
Chana lakho.
Zala.
I'm part of a group of friends from Varsity and we get along well. But there is this one friend who replies like after 2 weeks. I'm always the one checking on her. She orders stuff from SA and recently I ordered something for one of my workmates and agubui and it's now clocking a month. At first she said she had issues transporting it to this side and right now she is no longer updating me. So how do I call her out without affecting the overall bond of the group?
Sisi.
le ngiyamankazana lesisi.
Hayi sesivele nguyoche comment sehle ngabona thawula friendship la. Anje uthe ngiyofonela umngani all the time.
Yeah.
Ngiyohlala senza ama follow up. Awula friendship
But don't
enjalo.
you think it's unfair? I want to get social media so it's more because sebejudge indlela umuntu athanda ngayo omunye umuntu based on my replies on WhatsApp.
When I think lapho usuzidefend wena personally.
No.
Awukhulumi ngalokho.
Ngikhulumela
Into
yena.
yenzayo la.
Ngikhulumela yena.
Hayi.
Uthi like nxa wena ngaphuza ukuphendula subone ngani ngiyakuzonda.
No. Akazange asho njalo. Uthe nguye
Nohlala
ohlala
emthini.
emtheka.
I feel like lapha
Hayi,
okumoshe
hayi.
manini mangiqedi. Okumoshe indaba lapha ukuthi sokule impahla ezithengiwe vele advice le I apply lapha anyways. Anyways, I don't
No,
know.
communication la yebuhlungu.
But
Uthiwa
unfortunately,
umngani wami angasakhulumi lami. Mina sengujwayela la yomngani wami sivele ngiclose la sikhuluma yini the sengujwayela ngoba ukhatshana lami ngikhatshana. Yabo? Sengujwayele but ayisekuthi yimi sengihlala ngikhuluma la all the time. Hayi siyakhuluma sonke every day siyakhuluma.
I
But
think this question, Iga, I think Lapa, she needs advice on the friendship. And
The confrontation.
after we give her advice on the friendship, then how to confront the friend
confrontation
or not
iyodwa
the
nje.
friend.
bayaqinisweni lapho vela awula friendship asengizwile mina ngubona kwami awula friendship awula mngani so mina ngihlala ngulandelela all the time.
No, mina I think ngizaba society yo.
Bro umuntu wena uyazidefenda ngoba wena uphenduli ma message.
No, lalela ninthi nyanga. Already umuntu lo
Yawona
communication
uphenduli my
yakhe.
message.
Sorry. Already umuntu lo communication yakhe messed up vele. So into khona karesi told impahla miphenxe vele zalahle. But uyasaba
Oh, wadla imali.
ucommunicate. Ngama possibilities la. Uyakwazi ukuthi ubreeze vele ha. Ngiyamqala nithini. Ubreeze ngavele ngithi impahla hlathi But again, ezinye izinto unfortunately zifuna uzi-address like zinjalo. Akula like ukuthi kuthiwa ngizazama ukuba civil ngento le ngizama ukuthi ngithi chomi lami awufaki ngento lezi yawo jalo ukunanzelela nxa ule chomi likukweleta imali ushaye ukuthi umbuzo ukuthi awufaki imali yami uthi
Uzuthwale nzima.
awufaki njalo into lezi ya
Kanti awufana amanadopi. I mean, I will say, first of all, you do sound like you're a nice person because even though you have been fucked over, you're still concerned about keeping it dynamic of the group, which means wena ngani ucabangela abanye because omunye umuntu
Yeah.
vele bengasoze you know, I think you can maybe address this without some girl groups are operating. You can just address it in private without affecting the entire group dynamic. But sometimes there's easy once you have to ask deep down, you already know the answer. You know, once you have to ask that, somewhere in your heart, you already know the answer.
ngibona so buza
And so maybe,
it's finished.
listen, people outgrow each other. It's not a big deal. Don't take it personally if someone outgrows you. If that's the way they communicate with you, not with other people, it's okay. They've outgrown you. It's not a problem. When a pondi azona pela pose, into zami, the fuck.
Ngiyambuza kuhle.
Plus,
I think
Into
okunye
lezi.
it's since it's a girl group layer, I think it's easier for guys because Tina for guys siyakwanisa uthatha ama emotions siwabeke eceleni then we call bullshit. Yeah, and as guys I think most of us and siyakwanisa kuba labangani bokuthi we can spend like a week or two singakhulumanga but lapho esikhuluma khona you can have a 3-hour long conversation singalokuzanga. So I think it differs when it comes to guys. I think that's the fortunate part.
Amankazana ngcobuza
Yabo.
yabona sisibili kwesikhathi likhuthane kodwa kuqeda kube abangani. Or usually sometimes lingakhitshana.
Phela no sakwanisa uba ngabangani mina ndawo abantu esakhuthana but we're friends.
Ah, okay. That's nice.
Yeah,
But
one in
resi-
a few.
I think ngokunye kuyi-wake up call nje yabona resi sibadala guys ungaxabana lo muntu resi is real
Yeah.
i-fallout
Yeah,
yabantu
yeah.
abadala lani tricky la
Enye into, yazi enye into futhi etrikini. Qala kwesisikhathi lasiba forced ukuthi even naxabana libuyelelana ngoba labehlala lonke eclassini, bazalifaka kuma groups. Dude, kade azomnise ehlala esizinda le mina nisebenze eHarare vele
yeah
man, fuck you, but well, grow a backbone. Maybe approach this person directly. Because effect yokuthi ngiyabaza abantu abanje ukuthi mina nginje ngiyabe ngikhona wena ungenzele something. Kodwa in my mind, my first thought is how can this wrong be fixed without affecting the friend group. So you sound like a really nice person, and maybe are you the kind of person that usually feels like they're being taken advantage of?
If that's the case,
then you might have to stand up for yourself with it. Oh, then it up water, my perfume. I didn't get that.
Ngithi fafa.
Yo, dama say the
but
video.
anyways, nxa kungela mbuzo oshort okhona, I think sizinga ukhona
Oshoti uhambelana lento elike la ikhuluma. Kuthiwa you guys should bring strippers on the show.
sesikutshelile isitory sama stripper akuphindwa loka.
Wayesaba.
Uyazi ama days anjalo.
Unless singacela kuhle umongi ukuthi
Hayi.
Now it will.
Asifuni kuzivele ngabafana lokho ke bese kuphasa ama comments la.
Ngixoxa ukuthi lonke ngobhudi bami lina. Khohlwana.
Hayi thina lapha not ngale man. Baqede.
Wena nanti sifuna uhambe.
Bareve. Aba kuma comments bareve.
Sihimali.
Kulo munye ubhuti
I was
esenamibia.
Tandwer.
Hey, uyangizwa?
Ma.
Into kulo bhuti esenamibia debuza ngani.
Uthini ubhuti?
Umfakile message lama.
Uzomfakela message ithi hi.
Yazi into le i-night enjengeyethu lesaba esake saba la. Ingenza every time like nxa ukhuluma nabadala. Yabona nxa ukhuluma nabadala bakho besithi Zwana mntanami thina we know these things, we've been there. Yakukhanya nabo wena.
Wafika laphana.
Soko ifaka i10 rand wena lapha
Mina
isithi upapa amagwele.
10 rand. Mina I would never look at 10 rand the same, bro. Actually nginyanya kabi 10 rand. Izinto engayibona izenza. It's not
yayitshintshwe ngama coins.
Mina abadala nyaba respect
10 rand it's why.
abadala nyaba respect that. But they must put some fucking respect to our names. Bengabasitshela ukuthi isiyazazi into lezi bantu abami
Abazazi.
Wena uyakwazi.
thina siphilile thina.
Bese mina phela ngeke sengisebenzisa ukuthi okwami abadala like sichechi. By the way guys, my experience la sikhuluma ngawo la into zakudala lezi like lapha sikhuluma ukuthi yabona lifundi ukuthi into lezi azikho right vele. But anyways, I was saying, ngeke ngikhayela umdala even abazali bami ukuthi I want to like just reserved people yabo ukuthi nje ithi mntanami impilo siyayazi le. Yakwazi summit wena.
Timzali.
Timdala.
Nazabe bendijaja udela makangena lapha e-strip club lesa.
Hayi lalela. Lapha nje strip club lapha.
Lapha
ngiyabona
Lapho saseswele nje indawo yohamba la sasivela ugadeni ofaka ukuthi bangani bama sambeni siyongena.
Yebona i-explore page ye-Instagram icabanga ngingagqokanga.
La namapuna la no kusiyabona. Sesikhuluma strip club.
Strip club.
The club.
Yabona
the club.
the club for all fam.
Ngale ngamankazi nakhona futhi nxa engastrip lapha ngedlula agqoka amanono sangena ngomqando la.
Khona umunye wathi edlula siphakathi in closing. Wathi edlula siphakathi labasa phikisa nasathi lo akula gqoka izikhipha lo. Uprisada.
So like bekhiphe like.
Hey baba.
Akusali lutho.
Uthela bona yonke into.
Ucherwana way last number to ipoint out umgcini wathi breeze. Ungitshela ukuthi utshele lo sizamona senqunu. Ngathi
10 rand.
Sip slow my boy,
So
ungayijaki.
mana ngicane sibuyele ngemuva. So lona oyifaka i10 rand oyifaka ngapi?
Uthi sithi ku tip jar. No, wayefaka ku tip jar.
Ujo.
The lips.
Wayefaka ndoda.
Jo.
Yazi yenzani futhi? Ngizazigudela.
La ngama tricks la. Sesikufundisa.
Because babe sithi khona. Kwanye isikhathi yathi ebuya so ngicebe kusacha ipaint. Edivula sibithi uthi. Uyifake phakathi lapha nothi. Kodwa uthi. Ana nesamithi ku right.
Demwet.
Umuntu ebese kuhlalisa phansi ubaba omdala wakho wena obhengule ethi mntanami mina impilo nje yazi. Ongekele wena sabrian wena impilo yazi.
Anyways, this has been another epic episode. Catch you
On the flippity flip.
on the next one. I think you could know especially if you're a podcast lover, not like lapa. I'm a podcast lover, I'm a video la. Ngilabangani ba man. Aba engikwazi ukuthi bafani, engikwazi ukuthi they have stories to share, but bashaye kubuya ku like abafuni libe bazi ukuthi ngobani. So we're just thinking of doing something where no faces, just audio, no face, no case, music.
Vele sesile content eningi esibuya for
Paying members as well.
our paying subscribers.
Yeah. So that we
Siyalibonga kakhulu siyalithanda lonke. Labana bathe bazosikhothisa.
Abakhohlwa la.
Promise is a date.
umuntu wami, can she fight? No, please, hey.
Uyana uthi mina ngumsundulo sexual. Hala mi bebe. Azalisa bathi.
But I know, shout out.
Bye.
Nothing beats subscribing to the BYO podcast. Survive depression. And your toxic co-worker.